Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Ikhwan bin Yaakob. Today I will present about introduction of the closed dryer system. A noticeable change in the weather over the last 2 years, and in general, the number of rainfall incident has increased since 30 years, about 30 years ago. Malaysia has an unpredictable weather. Sometimes it's rain in the morning and sunny in the evening. A clothes dryer or tumbler dryer is a household appliance that is used to remove the moisture from a load of clothing and other textile, generally shortly after they are cleaned in a washing machine. Next, most dryer consists of a rotating drum called a tumbler through which heated air is circulated to evaporate the moisture from the load. The tumbler is rotated relatively slowly to maintain space between the articles in load. In most cases, the number is belt driven by an induction motor. There are two general classes of rotating dryers, such as electric and gas. Both of these refer to method used to raise the temperature of the air flowing through the tumbler, since the tumbling action is usually electrical power. Okay, for the electric dryer generally use a coil wire that is heated with electric current. The amount of electric current is varied to adjust the air temperature. The gas dryer employs a gas burner and burns natural gas, propane or butane to form a jet of hot gases that are directed into a venturi chamber, which use 14 Bernoulli principle to pull in ambient air and raise in temperature. The air temperature can be altered by adjusting the size of the gas flame, or more commonly, 7 by Merrill's integration it related it. Gas dryer require electricity to spin the clothes, but the amount of electricity is much smaller than in an electric dryer, removing the need for a special connection. Okay, next. Um, about the closed dryer system. Uh, this factor is the main driving force in the study of how to make closing more effective than any other factor. In addition to facilitating the working class, the system is known to dry out in accordance with the principal process. Every problem can be solved practically. The design of automatic water drying system without having to go through a complicated drying process. This project is designed as a system that solves the problem of non-drying and so on. The closed drying system is designed to be a dryer that can operate automatically without the use of labor. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad bin Mahdi. Today I'm going to tell you about materials that we choose for this project. First material that we're going to choose is stainless steel. Stainless steel is used for both the rack and the rack's body. It is completely watertight and will not rust over time. Stainless steel also has resistance to oxidation and can withstand extreme temperatures for nearly a century without cracking or shattering. There are 4 types of stainless steel. Number 1, austenitic. Number 2, ferritic. Number 3, duplex. And number 4, martensitic. Next material that we're going to choose is chromium. Chromium is applied to the rack using electroplating. Chromium is shiny, brittle metal with a high melting point. Chromium does not tarnish in the air, but when heated it produces a green chromic oxide. It is mostly used in stainless steel alloys, chrome plating and metal ceramics. It is used in metallurgy to impact corrosion resistance and a lustrous finish. As dyes and as paints, Its salts give glass an emerald green color, and it used to generate synthetic rubies as a catalyst in dyeing and tanning leather and to make molds for brick firing. There are also some electrical and electronic parts. Heat is generated and regulated across the rack using electrical and electronic components. Inside the rack, there will be various components such as timer, water heating elements, power cable and main circuit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Iqmah Hanafi bin Muhammad Isa. Nombor matrik CD 210259. Hari ini saya ingin membentangkan processing. Processing ni ada 6 langkah nak buat stainless steel, bentuk stainless steel tu. Yang pertama, melting and casting. The raw material first melted together in electric furnace. Yang kedua, forming. The semi-finest steel goes through forming operation, beginning with hole rolling, in which the steel is heated and passed through hole rolls. Yang ketiga, heat treatment. The stainless steel is former mouse type must go through an annealing step. Annealing is a heat treatment in which the steel is heated and cooler under controlled condition. The reliable internal stress and forces the metal. Yang keempat, descaling. One on the most common method, pickling use a nitric hydrofluoric acid bulb to descalate the steel. In under method, electrocleaning and electric current is applied to the surface using cathode and phosphoric acid, and the skull is removed. Yang kelima, cutting. Cutting operation are usually necessary to obtain the desired blank shape or size to trim the part to final size. Yang keenam, finishing. Finance is an important specification for stainless steel product and is critical in application where appearance is also important. Certain surface finish also make stainless steel easy to clean, which is obviously important for sanitary application. Lepas tu saya akan membentangkan manufacturing. The stainless steel in its various forms are packed and shipping to the fabricator or end user. A variety of other processes are needed. Future shaping is accomplished using a variety of methods such as roll forming, press forming, forging, press drawing, and extrusion. Next, saya akan serahkan kepada orang lain.
Okay, now I will present about the selection of suitable raw materials and processing. First is stainless steel. For this project, the chosen type of stainless steel is duplex. There are several advantages of duplex type stainless steel. First is excellent resistance to neutral chloride stress corrosion. Under low stress, duplex stainless steel with chromium content between 18 and 22% offers excellent resistance to neutral chloride stress corrosion. Heat exchange, evaporators, and other equipment made of stainless steel are prone to stress corrosion, cracking in stress chloride and hydrogen sulfide in industrial environment. However, duplex stainless steel has an excellent resistance for performance in this area. Second is good corrosion resistance, fatigue and corrosion resistance. The flat stainless steel has strong corrosion resistance, fatty and wear resistance, and other under specific conditions. It has also been used to make raw materials for pumps, valves, and other equipment. Large thermal conductivity. The thermal conductivity of the flat stainless steel is high, while its coefficient of linear expansion is low. It is good for cleaning and making composite plates. It is also suitable to be used as the core of heat exchange. Chrome plating. Chrome plating will be applied to the rod for extra protection. It is known as decorative chrome plating. Decorative chrome plating, often known as chrome plating, is a process that involves electroplating a thin layer of chromium onto a metal substrate. Bright chrome and other finishes are made on automated bright plating line using copper, nickel, and chromium electroplating. Brushed nickel and satin chrome finishes, which are popular in many home decor products, can be achieved in addition to brilliant chrome and die-cast zinc, as well as custom plating on brass and steel substrate. Decorative chrome is made to be both attractive and long-lasting. Thickness range from 0.002 to 0.020 mil, but are most commonly 0.005 to 0.1010. And typically, chromium plating is placed over bright nickel plating. Typical base materials include steel, aluminum, copper alloy, and zinc alloy. Bright chrome, bright color and luster, smooth surface, blemish free. Brushed nickel, uniform brushing lines, consistent plating thickness. Okay, next is cost of product material. First material is water heating element. Price is RM200. Timer RM100. Main circuit is RM70. Power cable RM50. Stainless steel RM30. Chromium RM60. And total of the product is RM110. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Muhaimin bin Mohtar, nombor metrik AD210065. Conclusion: this project is an innovation of existing technology that strives to improve the human way of life. Based on this, throughout the project, as fellow humans living in this world, we are continually looking for methods to assist each other in solving issues. Another endeavor to combat the current challenge for clothes drying during the unpredictable and rapid changes in weather is the clothes dryer racks. The time and energy spent on laundry clothes could be reduced by merging the function of two technologies. The extra time can be used by the customer to focus on something else. Supporting material. There are 6 of supporting material that we use in our report. That's all for our assignment group. Thank you.